Okay. Uh, Still not really sure how to start this. I feel like I should wait until I can actually see the live stream on YouTube, but probably don't have to do that. Anyways, yeah, the lighting in the hand shader is not good. I'm not really sure why I did this, but I just had a really simple lighting calculation here, so I want to replace that with something better. So I don't entirely remember how this works. So basically, I just have this function do FSH lighting and this function. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I forgot. This goes in the different G buffers, and this goes in the. I don't know. It's complicated, but sometimes it's in G buffers, sometimes it's in deferred. But yeah. Anyways, I guess I could just look at the G buffers water file for how I should do this. Wait, I already have this. What? Okay, whatever. So I halfway have the code for this. Wow. Uh, should be a pretty simple thing to do. Pretty sure. And then, okay, where is it exactly? Okay, this, I guess. Just put that there, and I think there's probably more that I need to bring over. View position. Yeah, got the LM chord. Also need the normal. Need that to be a vec3. Also, don't want it to be flat. Not sure why I did that, but okay. So I'm just going to cut that, and I think just do that. How do I have it over here? Yeah, G buffers water. Okay, yeah, just have that, and should be almost good. I already have this, right? Yes, color. Okay, I just change it out to albedo. View position right. Uh, just take that. Actually, can the normal be flat? Yeah, probably can. Yeah, okay. Not exactly sure what I was thinking originally, but view position. Don't remember how that's. Oh, it's just that? Okay. Huh. Where exactly? Okay, just above normal. And yeah, let's see if that's good. Oh, wow, it's laggy. Okay. Oh, that did not work. Shadowcaster color, right, okay. Yeah, I think that's needed for the uh, FSH lighting. Shadowcaster color. Yeah, I just need to take that and move it in here. And pretty sure it needs to be taken over, just like this other stuff. And I think that'll fix it. Nope. Okay. Get shadow. Oh yeah, I need the import. Um, down here. Yep. Take that. Put it there. And okay, there we go. So now hopefully the hand will have proper shadows. Maybe. Oh, yeah, you can kind of see it there. Probably should go to different profile, which has like a stronger lighting. Okay, yeah. Look at that. Um, it does not exactly look right, though. Hmm. Yeah, like, look at how, like, I can just rotate it and... Hmm. So, I'm guessing this is probably the problem? Okay, what if instead I just did view position equals yeah, GL position and then times what would it be? Projection inverse, something like that. Uh, okay, yeah. Keep buffer projection inverse. Include that. Okay, and right. Uh, just have this utility function, which I'm pretty sure I can use there. And let's see if that works. Okay. Oh, maybe? Still really hard to tell. But what if I actually try holding something? What about this? Uh, maybe? I don't really know. Yeah, what about this? Hmm. It kind of seems to work. What about complementary? How does this look? Ooh, YouTube is getting some sort of error. Okay, hold on. What is this talking about? Hmm. Okay. Uh, I don't know if there's anything I could do about that. Probably just like bad internet connection. I don't know. So, how does this? Oh, right. I need to get something else. Okay, here's a question. Like, what is it even supposed to look like? Uh, oh, not that. Oh, wait, no, not that either. Okay. This is what I'm thinking of, I think. It's not just the same as before, is it? Oh, interesting. Seems like my player is casting a shadow. I think that's what's going on. Uh, okay. Hmm. Interesting. I guess we'll keep that for now. I'm just going to do this. Oh, come on. Oh, wait, I'm still on complimentary. Okay. Let's try this. Also, is YouTube updating? Okay, maybe? I don't know. Oh, I think it was broken a little bit. Okay, well, yeah, it should be working again now. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that is definitely strange. Pretty sure they're, or, well, no, I'm not pretty sure. I just think that maybe there are like settings for this. So once again, going to the Optifine doc. Not entirely sure what to search for, but okay. Yeah, it's lagging. Come on. There are 22 results. Oh, hold on, what is this? Um, what is this? Okay, I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's the entire thing. What about this? And okay, no, doesn't have any options. But anyways, yeah, this does not seem to be working correctly. What if I just do this again? View position equals that. Uh, yeah, dot XYZ. Okay, that also seems broken. Okay, or wait, is it broken or is it just being weird? It seems like lighting is still kind of being applied. So, what if I just set it to black? What does that do? It still sometimes gets brightened by something. Hmm. I'm not sure what to think of that. Is it like one of these things, or I don't think it would be bloom. Okay, yeah, I guess probably was some sort of sun rays thing. Okay, well, good to know, I guess. Yep. Actually, no, it's oh, there it is. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's sun rays, but I'm getting a bit distracted. View position. Hmm. I feel like this should give good results. Did I do that completely? Okay, good. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the sun rays again. Don't want that messing with the color that I see. So, yeah, these are definitely some strange results and not correct results. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure what to do. If this really is the same across all shaders, then this should be correct, right? G buffers projection inverse. Yeah, interesting. Oh, I guess I should probably take a look at this to make sure that it's equipped for this um depth. Okay, yeah. I guess I can see why I did not have this enabled, because it is very strange. You know, just to make this a little better, I'm going to also do this, I think. Oh, actually, I have to have that in here. Okay. There you go. Interesting. So, what if I just like completely faked this with something like GL position dot uh okay. Yeah, dot XY, well, GL position dot W, then take this, and I'm pretty sure this is in the range -1 to 1, but I want it to be in 0 to 1, so I need to multiply it by 2 and subtract 1. So yeah, just completely faking something, but maybe that'll sort of work. Seems strangely the same as before. Interesting. What if I took this away? Again, that doesn't seem to make much of a difference. Okay, weird. I don't know. Let's just see what the result of this is. I'm not even sure what that's a shadow of. Man, that gets bright. Hmm. Okay, well, what does it look like here? Oh man, it's... I forgot how hard this is to control. What? So what exactly is going on with the shadows here? Look, it just in general looks strange. Or does it? No, hold on. I don't know what to think. Oh yeah, this is also kind of backwards a bit. I don't know. Yeah, that doesn't exactly look right. Uh, what if I add this back? Oh, what? Ooh, also, view position dot z equals 0, probably. Again, I'm not even sure what it's really supposed to look like. Is it just me, or does it kind of look inverted? What is going on here? It sort of looks like the grass. uh, yeah, it just does not look right. So, what exactly is the view position even used for? Get sky brightness, okay, yeah. Sample shadow. Okay, what does sample shadow do? View position, get shadow position, okay, yeah. What does get shadow position do? Just immediately multiplies by this. So, yeah, it does essentially just need the player position. The player position might be harder to obtain, though. Not entirely sure. Well, here's an idea. What if I just did for projection inverse times GL position, and then also GBA for model view inverse, and gotta include that too. And yeah, I'm just gonna put that up here. All right, need the utility function, and oh wait, I forgot the debug code over here. Okay. Does this look correct? No, not really. What if I just multiply it by 3? Yeah, I don't even see. Oh, wait, no, yeah. Sorry, I was just getting the axes confused. Okay, so yeah, I don't know. So just back to view position. You know, just because of the way that hand rendering works in general, like especially with the uh, depth of it, it's probably just isn't going to work at all. But then that does bring up an interesting question. How exactly does complementary handle this? So, vertex shader. Does it even like calculate view position? View vector? Interesting. Oh, what is this for? I mean, I know it's for the parallax occlusion mapping, but I don't even know what a TBN matrix is, but view vector, is that used in here or is it used in like an include file thing? Yeah, okay. If I search everywhere for it. Um, yeah, I don't know, that's too much to get into right now, but it's also not entirely related. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think that's what I need. So, right. I mean, complementary does have something. Oh, wait. Um, yes. Oh, interesting. Okay. So, position dot xyz divided by equals geoposition dot w. I don't know. I'm going to literally just try copying that thing that it does plus equals. Yes. 0.38. And then, um, yes. Ooh, that looks weird. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, that. I hate to do this. Plus, I don't know. Probably not the best way to do it, but it's an easy way to do it. So, what does this look not like now? What? It isn't this, is it? Pretty sure that's like not even the right. Yeah, not even the right shape. So, how did that happen? Wait, is it this? That doesn't. Oh, okay, yeah. I need to then do that. Yep, there we go. Okay. The view position is pretty much just staying the same. Oh, yep. Okay, so How exactly is this happening? That isn't, like, part of the, like, deferred thing, is it? Is it? Uh, hold on. Yeah, let me just check this real quick. I don't know. If depth is less than 0.9, then color equals vec3 of 1. Does that do anything? Oh, okay. Yeah, so this is being rendered before before deferred. Okay, so yeah, that really changes things because this is already in here. It does not need to be in here. So then why did I already have some lighting for it? I think it should pretty much just be that, right? Um, oh, if I'm not using the normal anywhere or anymore, then I can just do that and encode normal. I do not need the view position, I don't think. Do VS? Yeah, VSH lighting. Pretty sure I do still need that. Yeah. So, don't need that, don't need that, don't need that. It was actually mostly okay the way it was. Yeah, whoops. Um, so, it's pretty much just back to how it was before. And yeah, so I already had this. Why did I think that I needed it? I don't know. Oh, huh. Oh yeah, I still have some unfinished stuff to work on with that. Anyways, if depth is and depth, then depth plus equals 0.38, I think. Yeah, that's just taking the same thing that complementary has. Still looks weird, though. Can I do this? Okay. Yeah, that is inverted. It's just like I thought. How exactly does that even really work then? Okay, and if I just disable that? Okay, definitely should be. There's something important going on here. Oh, dang it. Come on. Oh, hold on. Again, I'm not even sure. Come on. Like, what to even think of this? Okay, well, if you look straight down, then it looks correct. Hold on. What if I set the color equal to the normal? This is all looking correct, right? Um, yes, I think. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. It's probably about as good as I'm gonna get it. Okay. So, yep. I think I can cross that off. Make sure all settings work. Yeah, I'm just gonna move that to the back for now. Make sure distant horizon terrain looks just like regular terrain. Before I get to that, though, there is something I want to take a look at. Oh, hold on. OBS is not working again. That is so weird. Why do I need to just keep clicking it like that? Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do except to just like keep paying attention to it. Oh yeah, and you need to reload the shader whenever you do that. Right, so yeah, let's go back to this. And I'm actually gonna add back that line of code that I deleted. I recently partially uh, reworked the code, but yeah, I didn't actually finish it, so I have to do that. I don't even really remember much. Okay, yeah, so no, it probably is better to just do something like this. 8 and 9, maybe? That's probably good, right? So, I don't know how well you can see this, but okay, why did that break it so badly? Oh, yeah, I need that to be the other way around. Right, so, yeah, all the white stuff is like showing where the ambient occlusion is being applied, and it stops, it stops applying the ambient occlusion far, like kind of far away from where the actual end of the train is. So, yeah, I just wanted to extend that. I'm not really sure why it was so far back. Not even sure like how much of a difference adding that really makes, but yeah. So there's just a small thing done. Anyways, I guess I just have this next. Yeah, that's also something that kind of needs to be fixed. Like it blends into the sky really well, but the clouds are still behind the terrain. Problem is, I really don't know how to fix that. Oh, also, I think I saw a bit of a problem with this, kinda. Or wait, okay, what was it exactly? Uh, hmm, okay. Also, this is the fantasy setting, dang. Okay, yeah, I think it was in the vanilla preset that the sun looked kind of weird. Yeah, interesting. So, just gonna go to here, find. No, I'm pretty sure it's. Yeah, it's literally the first setting. Uh, What is it in here? Oh, wow. I want that to be higher. That might be the only problem. Come on. Okay, it's definitely still a little weird how you can literally see the stars behind it, but I don't know. What if I just set it to 1.0? Okay, yeah. Time add. Ooh. Yeah, I might actually just remove this setting, like the sun brightness, because is there even really any benefit to increasing the brightness? Come on. Yeah, it actually does kind of look better sometimes. Okay. Although in here I do want to like remove all the values that are less than 1 because it does not really look good when it's less than 1. Also, I should probably extend it to be like higher than just 2. Okay. Well, also, I want to see what the uh, setting count is now that I've added all these extra cloud settings. 290. Wow. And of course, there are a few of these. There's just 3 of those, so 293 settings. That that really is insane. Okay. Yeah, I definitely still need to tweak the cloud colors. Or maybe, I think. I don't know. I've been messing with the like color calibration of my monitor because I don't know. The monitor looks like strangely green, and I don't know. I haven't found any like good software to use to calibrate it, but yeah, that's getting off topic. So yeah, um, yeah, just gonna work on this next item, making sure the distant horizon terrain looks just like the regular terrain. So I'm pretty sure I have a thing in here. Yeah, this is just enabling the debug output. Pretty sure it's just this. Yeah, color text 7. So whatever I write to that just gets immediately written to the output buffer. Well, I mean, not immediately, but I don't know, you know what I mean. So, in here I want to, uh, I guess first I could just change that to 7 and distant horizon terrain. Over here, change this to a 7. So, I guess I probably should explain this a little bit. So, yeah, it just outputs the like albedo or the color. I don't know what the difference is, but yeah, that's just that output, and then this is just some extra data that gets outputted. I think this is like reflectiveness, then light map coordinates and normals. Again, I'm pretty sure I don't need that. Let's search for all this. Okay, yeah. This can be simplified. Okay. But anyways, so right now I'm just checking to make sure that the debug output is the same. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, what is going on here? I don't even see the distant horizon terrain. What? Okay. I think I've kind of seen stuff like this before, but I never know how this is even possible. Oh no, not that. So, like seriously, how is this possible? So what on earth is going on right now? I'm pretty sure I have, yeah, I have this. Oh, what? Wait. Um, okay, this needs to be different. Is that the problem? It would be nice if that's it. Okay, that was not it. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have that completely mixed up. So yeah, this is entirely correct. I was getting composite 0 and color text 0 mixed up, but it is this that I'm worrying about. Uh, okay, first I just want to make sure that this is like actually doing something, like it's enabled. That does not change anything. How did that not change anything? That is a valid composite, right? Really should be. Um, yeah, composite 99. And I'm pretty sure you are allowed to skip things. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, this just looks a lot like my shader. I mean, sort of. I don't know. I just got confused. Anyways, yeah, this does have all of them on. I mean, it does skip composite 1, so pretty sure that's enough proof that you can skip. But still, this is not doing anything. Or like that. This is not doing anything. Oh, is it because I don't specify the draw buffers? Uh, just like that, right? All right, okay. That still doesn't do anything. What? I don't know, maybe I just like wrote it incorrectly somehow. No, I don't think that changed anything. Okay. Yeah, still not doing anything. What if I need to do something like that? Nope. Okay. Yeah, this is weird. Oh yeah, I'm not using color text 6 anymore. I don't think I need to, but yep. Yeah, I guess I'm not really using this anymore. Might as well delete it. Hmm. I'm really not sure what else to try. What? Um, what? Okay, I don't think I want that. Oh my goodness, is that it? Okay, wow. Yeah, so basically, quick explanation, hopefully. Uh, yeah, a while ago I was like updating this to work with Optifine, and I had to like edit it a lot, and yeah, basically I just tried out a ton of random stuff, and apparently some of that random stuff was still in there. That is annoying, but anyways, should be it. So yeah, now it can proceed. Uh, oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, where is it? No, not there. In here, yeah. Gonna just get rid of that. Okay. It is a little strange to just see it like this though, so in here, GL data, just going to just like completely replace this. So element chord 0, 1, and I'm gonna put that in here too. So again, I'm just checking to make sure that the data, like at each individual stage of the process, is exactly the same between the vanilla and the distant horizons. Though I'm not even seeing the distant horizons stuff here. That is weird. It's like it's not being rendered. Oh, I do have it, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, whoops. Yeah, I definitely want that to be turned on. All right. Is it just me or is there a bit of a difference? Okay, well, I'm not even really sure uh where the distant horizons starts. So, I'm not exactly sure how to like really test this. Um, I guess I could just do that for now. Or wait, okay, yeah, it is 0, 2, just by default. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna, if xchord dot x is less than, uh, oh, what? less than 0.5, then glfrag data index 2 equals vec4 of 1. And I'm only going to add this. Actually, I don't want to do that. I'm going to add this here. So that should show me. Oh, X chord does not exist. Okay, yep. glfrag chord dot x is less than 1920 over 2. Dang it. Descent Horizons is not rendering. Also, yeah, I probably should turn off a TAA just so everything stops jittering. Hey, there's some Distant Horizons terrain. A little bit of it, at least. Okay, nice. So, is there any difference here? I'm not seeing any difference. I don't think so. Maybe I am actually. Yeah. Okay. It's hard to see, but I think there is a bit of a difference with. It looks like the normal terrain is a little more yellow. Okay, if I subtract something like 0.3, then actually maybe just 0.1 for now. Hopefully that'll make it more clear. Or maybe that just made it worse, I don't know. What if I isolate this? Oh, whoops. Got the dot x. And it looks like OBS got stuck again. There we go. Anyways, yeah, how does that look? Okay, no difference? Maybe? No, there is a difference. Okay, that is actually really weird. Why is there a little bit of uh just stuff left over? Interesting. I'm not sure why I'm doing that. Does complementary do that? Okay, where is um okay, interesting. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should search for that. No? Okay. What? Uh, what? Hold on, how does that work? Also, where does this come from? Outback. Oh, okay. How did I miss this? What? Hold on, what? I'm using a completely different variable? That is not something I expected. Yeah, everything else uses this different variable. And this Dang. So is this even used for, yeah, distant horizons? That is so weird. Why did I use a different variable there? And why is it still not the same? Hmm. Oh yeah, is it just because of this? What? It's still not the same. Interesting. Where is it? Oh yeah, this is DH terrain. This is regular terrain. And it is essentially the same. Although I do want to just rearrange these things. Okay, so I could just like forcibly make it the same thing, but that feels like cheating, and I don't want to do that. I want to figure out like actually why it's not the exact same. Though I'm not exactly sure how to do that. Okay, so, let's just look at this again. Yeah, okay. Hmm. Oh, actually, I think this isn't used anymore. Okay, yeah. Can just get rid of that. Is there anything else I'm not using? Probably not. Am I using this? Nope. Okay. Am I using this? Nope, apparently not. Hmm. Okay. Right, so just back to this. Okay, yeah, I keep getting just distracted with stuff, but uh I don't know, I feel like this might just be better for me to do oh my goodness. This might be something better for me to do upstream. How long have I been streaming? Oh, about an hour. Okay. Interesting. Uh, am I doing anything with the LM cord in here? No. Okay, so yeah, I'm really not sure what's going on here, but yeah. Sorry, like anything else I could work on? Ooh, add atmospheric fog? That'd be cool. And pretty easy, right? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna try working on that. Probably should do that before the water fog. Okay, so yeah. Uh, although the ordering is still pretty important. Would it be better to do it in deferred or composite? What all do I do in composite? I do sun rays in composite. That's, yeah, interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna just try doing it here. I'm going to start off with something just really simple. So color equals mix color vec3 of 1, and then this equals length of view position. And yeah, I want to get Desmos for this. So don't entirely remember I was okay. I think that's good, and I'm just going to replace 32 with this as variable, and that looks pretty good. Okay, right? Yeah. So const float density equals 32. Okay, so that should be just a really simple atmospheric. Oh, right. Yeah, I need to get rid of all this debug stuff I had for that. Uh, oh yeah, get rid. What did I have? Right, yeah, it was just that stuff. But yeah, I need to return that back. Oh, also, can't forget this. Gotta disable this one. Oh, also, yeah, I should probably just run this stuff. Oh, right. This is just like a utility program I have to help me just do like large scale edits. Anyways, should have just applied everything. And yep, so those changes are over here now too because I already updated this thing. Anyways, it should be good to test the uh, new atmospheric fog. Ooh, okay, that. Don't think it's that which is causing the problem. Okay, something is not right. Oh my goodness, what on earth? Yeah, definitely a brain fart there. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot I disabled this. How well does this work? Ooh, okay, that is really strong. Um, oh, whoops. Okay. Oh, what? Ah, yeah, I forgot this. Also, I'm going to change this to something much higher. Uh, yep. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Right, yeah, it doesn't apply to water, though. Okay, yeah, so I probably should just do this in the composite shader. Yeah, probably this. Uh, I do not have view position here. Okay. It's definitely interesting. I do have the view position here, though. Probably wouldn't be all that bad to move this over here. Whoa. Okay, that actually looks pretty cool. Although, I do want to make sure I do this float. Yeah, I didn't. I don't know what to call this. Log mix equals something, and then log mix times equals that, and then log mix. Just do that. And bam, it is no longer applied to the sky. Okay, so on slope, log slope equals 1 over density. This is just like what I'm thinking. Then put the density naturally. So I could just define something like this and something like that. Ooh, interesting. Okay, yeah. What? Oh, yeah. I think that works like I want. Okay, so that's back to being like that. So if you increase the density, then the density increases, right? Yep. Okay, nice. So if atmospheric fog enabled equals 1, and yeah, gonna put that in there. And I need to add settings for this, and now that I think about it, this is basically the same. Well, not exactly the same as the volumetric sun rays. Hmm. It might actually be a somewhat good idea to combine the atmospheric fog with the sun rays. Or would it be a good idea? I don't know. For now, I'll have it separate. Also, what should I do about the color for this? I really don't want to add another like 12 settings, but yeah, I think I need to add another 12 settings. Okay. Well, uh, not even sure where I should put this. I don't know. Let's look at the settings menu. Post processing. It should definitely be somewhere in here. Uh, I could probably do before blue. Okay. What? Okay. Oh, okay, yeah, that does make sense. Oh man, I'm not sure what to do about this then. Yeah, I think it does just go here. Find atmospheric fog enabled to be. Yeah, I'll just. Oh wait. Hmm. I'm going to make the assumption that you just always want to have it on, no matter what style it is. Kind of like Bloom. So, yep. Define atmospheric fog. Yeah, something like that. And then, yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. Okay. Then green and blue. Then copy that, paste it 3 more times in here. So day, night, sunrise, and sunset. Wanna actually gonna copy all of these. Go to shader style properties. Up here, or no, over. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Yeah, atmospheric fog settings, and then screen dot atmospheric fog settings equals all of these. Then do that. Also copy all of these, put them into the sliders. Okay. Why did I do that? Okay, here it is. Yep. Then in here, I guess I should just do this. If, then just copy this. If that, and if flat in out vec3 atmospheric fog color. Then in here, okay. And for the actual code here, I'm pretty much just gonna, yep, copy this. Right. Settings, yes, here. I think this would be a good place to put it. Atmospheric fog day. I think that's basically what I called it. Yep. I think I can just take all of these, put them here. Okay, so define atmospheric fog day, or just, oh, whoops. I kind of messed that up. Okay. Yep. I think that's good. Okay. And I'm gonna copy those again. Then in here, yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna copy the cloud settings. Where is Bloom? Yep, here it is. Yeah. Okay. Now paste this. Yep. Okay. Now hopefully that'll work. Oh, do I still have TAA disabled? How did I just completely forget about that? Oh, wait. Okay. Interesting. Gonna do a full reset. Yeah, I guess the fog is white right now. Also, yeah, this density is way too much. Okay, let's try just, yeah, it's in composite too. Yep. Oh yeah, I'm not even using this color. Oops. Oh, I forgot I even increased the density there. Okay, interesting. I think I might have decreased the density a little too much. All right. That looks pretty good. That actually looks really good. Wait, actually, it might be a good idea to just use the sky color, right? That that would be really nice. Vec3 sky color equals. No, I don't even need to do that, right? Get sky color hard. Yeah, because you need to give the view position, right? Um, utils slash get sky color. View direction, right? Do I have view direction? I mean, I have, yeah, view position. Normalize view position. Actually, I could just, uh, yeah, might be better to do that. Two view parameters, right. No. Oh, dude. Uh, this is the vanilla preset. That is crazy. Yeah. Dang. All right. Uh, that might actually be good. Okay. Yeah. Screw all these extra settings. Shaders are properties. I do need density for this. And in here, yeah, just that. And just gonna add some settings in here. I mean, not settings, values. feel like those might be too many values. I don't know. Wait, I just remembered. I was thinking this would be low density, but no, that is completely the other way around, right? If I were to come over here, saying it's giving me Eris rights, yeah, need to get rid of this and this. No, no, that I need to keep that. If I were to set this to something like 500, then that would be just way too much, right? Ooh, wow. Yeah. So what is basically the maximum you could have? It is kind of annoying just how much does that. Mhm. What if I were to do this? Seems a little strange, but I don't know, it might work well. That does not work well. Hmm. Also, why does water not get affected the same? Oh, it's because it's without transparency. Hmm. I don't know. What if I just said that like 100 is the maximum? Yeah, that's still pretty extreme. What if I did that? Okay, yeah, I think that's good. So, in here, bam. So, if I set the density to 1, what does that look like? Okay, wow. I might actually set 1 as the minimum. What does 0.3 look like? Come on. Yeah, 0.3 is. I think it might be slightly noticeable. Maybe. Sure, I'll let it be able to go that low. I won't do 0 though, that's just stupid. Okay, so pretty sure you've already got the settings for it in here, right? Yeah, so you can just come over here and disable it. Mm-hmm. Actually, yeah, I don't know what I was thinking making this not controllable by the uh, style, but yeah, it definitely do want it to be controlled by this dial. Anyways, then here I want to just take some more things because I have 2 more settings now. Right, in here, come on. Oh, no, come on. Okay. So, really not sure whether or not I want to have this enabled in the vanilla preset, right? And I want to take this and replace that. Yeah, I do just want to have this like that. Oh, no, not that. I want this to be 0, and I'll change that to 1. Anyways, let's go to these other ones. Find bloom, put that there. Go over here, find bloom, put that there. Go over here, find bloom. Oh dang it! Find bloom, put that there. And yep. Okay, is there anything else you want to do? All right, atmospheric fog. Okay, so yeah, in here, find bloom, screen dot atmospheric fog settings equals atmospheric fog settings, and then option dot. Oh, dang it! Yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, and option dot that. Option dot that dot comment equals something, and value dot that dot -1 equals use style. So atmospheric, I'm just gonna copy this fog enable, atmospheric fog density applies fog to the entire yeah. I feel like there's got to be a better way to say this right. I don't know, does it even really need a comment? Yeah, I feel like it's pretty much just self-explanatory. And actually, it kind of just want to combine the border fog menu and the atmospheric fog menu. Okay. Okay. Oh. Uh, okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, I'm back now. So, right, I think I'm just moving all this. Border, fog. Yep. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I need to delete this. I guess I could just click right there. Anyways, yeah, that should be all that done. Also, I need to move this in order to keep it consistent. Okay. I think that should work. All right, yep. Sky fog settings. Yep. Oh, yeah, and in here, yeah, I don't know. Just gotta disable it. Oh, fog settings. Yep. So is that working? Yep. Also, yeah, I am actually going to keep the link, and I'm just going to have it linked to the uh, same fog settings as before. Yep. Okay. So should be enabled on this one already. Oh, that does look pretty nice. I do want to try just increasing the density though. How does that look? Ooh, that looks pretty good. Hold on though. There's a small bug, I think. Oh no, that is correct. Interesting. It doesn't look like it's just mixing with the sky color. Okay, come on. Oh, it's probably because I also have the sun rays enabled, right? That's why it's looking pinkish. Okay, yeah. Huh. Okay. Man, this does look really good, though. What does it look like without distant horizons enabled? And reload it. Ooh, okay. Interesting. Oh, yeah, I still have this disabled. Let's re-enable it real quick. Nice. Yeah, the clouds are kind of messing it up a bit, but oh well. Okay. What does it look like with this disabled? Oh yeah, I need to add stuff for that. Wow. Yeah, it does look quite a lot different. It's way more just red. Okay. Uh, okay, yeah, it is supposed to be rendering Distant Horizons, but it's just not for some reason. Okay. Well, that's probably a good place to end the stream. So I do want to just quickly add uh, that. Oh, yeah. Okay, add in liquid alterations for atmospheric fog. Gonna leave that for another day. But yeah. Oh, one thing I do want to do. Okay, yeah. Cargo run dash check settings. Let's just make sure that the settings are consistently listed. Okay, so setting defines, yeah. Forgot about this. Order. Okay, I should fix that, right? Yep. Okay. And I'm going to change the density to just 2. I don't know, maybe 1.5. Okay, yeah, that looks good. And yeah, I think that's where I'm going to end it for now. So, what did I do? Kind of forgot. Yeah, what I started with. I know I tried to do matching the Distant Horizon terrain, but what was I doing before that? Dang it. Oh, come on. Seriously, what on earth did I do before that? I don't know. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah, I need to be checking that. Okay. Yep. All right. So, thanks for maybe watching, if you did. Oh wow, why is this so far behind? I don't know. Well, anyways, bye.